Hello, you're welcome to this part of the lesson, and we are still treating geometry. We have two questions on the board. The first one, we have to calculate the volume of a bucket in terms of pi. The second one, we can see the diagram. We are going to calculate the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So the first, okay, we have the bucket is 12 cm in diameter at the top, 8 cm in diameter at the bottom. That means this is 6 cm radius. Then for the bottom, we have 4 cm. And then the height or the depth is 4 cm. And then we can label this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So here we don't know the height of this, so we can take it to be X, for instance. Now, we want to find the volume of the bucket. Volume of the bucket to equal to volume of bigger pool minus volume of smaller pool. So we have to check okay, first of all, we have to find this small height, and then before we continue. So we can bring out maybe this part of the triangle. We have something like this. This is our C. This is B. This is D. And then this is 4 cm. Then E, G. This is a right angle here. So using the idea of similar triangles, we can calculate the value of X. And that means the bigger side over bigger side equal to smaller side over smaller side. So that will give us 4 plus X over 6 equal to X over 4. That is the whole of this over this equal to from here to here over this 4. So cross multiply, we have 4 bracket 4 plus X is equal to 6X. Opening the bracket, we have 16 plus 4X equal to 6X. Then you collect like terms. And in collection of items, we come up here. We come up here. That would be 16 is equal to 6x minus 4x. Therefore, 2x equal to 16, x equal to 16 over 2. And that is 8 cm. So we have succeeded in getting the value of x, and that is 8 cm. So, moving on now, we have our big R to be 4 plus 8, which is 12 cm. Our small r, sorry, big R is 6, not big R is 6, small r is 4, then small h is 8, while big H is 4 plus 8, which is 12. So, to continue, we are talking of volume of the bucket, which we say is 5 R squared H minus 5 small r. Okay, sorry, that's not the listing. So the volume should be 1/3 5 capital R squared H minus 1/3 5 small r H. That is volume of the bigger cone minus volume of the smaller cone. And that will give us, can factor out 1/3 pi into our capital R is 6. 6 squared times 12, then minus R 4 times 4 times 8, and that will give us 1/3 pi bracket 36 times 12 minus 32. And then moving on, we multiply out using our, to check our calculator. That will give us 432. So that is 1/3 pi bracket 432 minus 32. So 432 32. And that will give us, let me see, 4. There's a little mistake somewhere. Our R is 4, that's 4 times 4. 4 squared multiplied by 8. That's a little mistake, I corrected it. So that this will give us 16 times 8. 16 times 8, that's 128. 128. So minus 128. So 432 128 will give us this is 4, this is 0, and this is 3. So coming up here, we have 1/3 pi into 304. So finally, the answer is 304 pi all over 3 as the volume of the bucket. So that is that. Then we are now going over to question number 2. And question number 2, we have to calculate the volume of the solid. That is volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. So, and volume of hemisphere, volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cubed. So that would be 2/3 pi times the radius is 3. So that would be 3 raised to power 3. And that will give us 2/3 pi times 27. And moving on, we have 27 by this, that will give us 54 pi all over 3. Then we now check the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to 5r squared h, which is equal to our r is 3, that is 3 squared times 20. 20, then times 5. That's 5r squared h. And that will give us 9 times 20 times 5. So from there we have 185 from this value, or we can write it here, 185. 185. So we add the 2. And then coming up here, therefore volume of the solid is equal to 54 pi over 3 plus 180 pi all over 1. And if we check, I think we can divide 3 here, 1, 3 in 5 is 1, in 24, 8. So this is the same thing as 18 pi plus 185. 18 pi plus 185. And that is equal to 1985 as the final answer. So volume of the solid is 198 pi. With that, we come to the end of question number 2. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section so that I'll check it in the next video. Thank you.